break him down. Wait on him.
I don't think you wrestled a brother yet, though, Joe. I think you wrestled him next. I think you wrestled that other brother second, not first.
Is his name Blake?
I don't know.
Does it start with an S? His last name?
I don't know.
Jaxon, grab an ankle.
Break him down. Tilt him up.
You have to step in.
Get off your foot.
5 seconds, Jaxon.
Run it.
That's not a good first move, Jaxon. That's like a headlock.
Oh, he was over the shoulder?
Yeah, like a reverse headlock. Hop out, get your one.
Push.
Drive, Jaxon. Switch leg.
Watch the cradle.
There you go.
Push. Grab his arm and push. You want to record it?
Yeah, would you? I keep watching.
Heads up! Jaxon, we're up the point now. Stand up. Hey, on the whistle, stand up. Stand up, stand up. Jaxon, Jaxon, you're up to work his hand. Up again. Break you down on that bar.
It should be 4, shouldn't it? Oh no, he was down by 1.
Short sit. Short sit. Go. There you go. Watch the tail catcher. Watch the tail catcher. Pinch down. Come on, Hunter. Drive.
Push.
Hold it. Keep his head.